Well, hello everyone. It's Gianni Ubriaco, the Soul Pilot with you again. Thanks so much for joining me. So we're looking at a beautiful picture of our beloved Mother Earth. Beautiful sun, beautiful light shining down on it. And that's what we're going to focus on today, is sending our Mother Earth beautiful, healing, loving light, peace. It's a challenging time on Mother Earth with everything going on in Ukraine. Now is the time for us to come together as one and send Ukraine healing, loving light, and the entire world healing, loving light. So take your time now, going within yourself, within your heart. Focus on getting to a place of love, place of divine love. Think of the people in your life that you love so dearly, unconditionally, eternally. All the love you have for them. Allow yourself to feel that love for everybody in this earth. Everybody in the entire world. Acknowledging and accepting that we are all brothers and sisters here. One great big family. Focus on the love in your heart. And visualize that Mother Earth before you. Great big Mother Earth. Visualize yourself and embrace that Mother Earth. Imagine holding the entire earth, the entire world in your loving arms, like a child. And you are there to help take care of Mother Earth. See that and visualize that, embracing Mother Earth in your arms. Recognizing and acknowledging all that Mother Earth does for us. Our home here. It is our time to take care of her, to embrace her, all of her inhabitants, and to spread peace in her loving light. Focusing now in particular on Ukraine, sending love, sending hope, sending faith, sending your belief and your trust that Mother, Father, God, Creator will help, that we will all help together to bring about peace. Visualize yourself sending healing, loving light to the Ukraine and to all of the earth. See the entire world enveloped in your love and in your light, loving everything and everyone as your own. practicing holding that peace and sending that peace out to the world. It starts with you. It starts with all of us finding peace within ourselves and sending that peace out to the world, being the presence of peace, being the presence of love and light. This is the time to let go of all our fears, all of our concerns, all of our judgments, our feelings of powerlessness or despair, anger, frustration. Let this all go. Calling on the angels to help us, Mother, Father God to help us, to lift these energies from us and for us back to heavenly loving light. And we're going to welcome in the angels who are with us. We're going to ask them to lift all the heaviness of the world, all our stresses, all our fears, our collective and individual fears and doubts, all those heavy energies. Please, Mother, Father, God, Creator, all your beloved angels, all our divine power, our support system, please, God, and all of us. Please, God, lift the heavy energies from us and for us. Help us to release our fears now and our doubts now, and see and feel that happening in the earth. See and feel the heaviness of the world being lifted, especially in Ukraine, but in the entire world. The angels coming in and lifting all that heaviness away, transmuted it all back to heavenly loving light. Take your time now, embracing the world even more, embracing Ukraine and the entire world even more, in a beautiful, pink, unconditional love and light. Beautiful energy of peace. Spread that peace to the Ukraine and to the entire world. Send out your intentions, your hopes. Please, God, grant us peace. Please grant this world peace. Please grant Ukraine peace and this entire world peace. Let us individually and collectively be at peace. And let us be the presence of peace, now and always. Thanking God, thanking the angels, thanking Mother Earth for granting us this wish, knowing that it shall come to pass. We shall have peace in the Ukraine and all of the earth. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Again, taking time to thank all of creation and God and the angels, everything and everyone. Thanking each other and thanking yourselves for coming together to help bring about this peace. Knowing peace is ours. We have it within us. Let us create it together as one. Taking our time, coming back to this time, back to this place, bringing our peace, and knowing we will send it out now and always. Thank you everyone for joining me. Keep spreading the peace.